Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I ordered a Sony FDR-AX33, arrived 2 days ago. And the first video that I'm going to do is simply going to be just an unboxing. We're going to quickly talk about what other stuff that it comes with. I'm a guy who's been shooting with an action cam, a GoPro 7 for the last year or so. And I wanted to get something more where I can point and shoot. I did some research and I decided to go with the FDR-AX33. So these guys, Sony launched this in 2016 and they have not made any changes per se to this. Pretty good one. So let's just open it up and see what we got in here. So sets of user guide or operating guide, whichever way you want to call it. I got quite a bit of reading to do. You have your AC power adapter, and here we have a USB cable, and here you have your micro HDMI cable, and part of your power adapter. And this is your standard battery that it comes with. Now, fully charged with the default settings, you're supposed to be getting about 135 minutes of shooting. Now, obviously this is not written in stone, so as I use it, I will let you guys know how this is performing. And obviously we have this beautiful cam, pretty tiny. Wow, okay, I did not expect this to be this small. So when I did some lookup before, or reviews or videos on YouTube, there was something that I was very interested in finding out, which a lot of the people did not mention. So I'm a first-time buyer, okay. I've never owned a camera before, so I'm not, this is my first camera. So one of the key questions that I had in mind is whether this can be mounted on a tripod, and the answer is yes, now that I find out. So pretty small camera. They have some awesome features. So tune in, guys. In the next few days I will play with this for a bit and then give my 2 cents as to what I think what this camera is doing. Thank you.